Hey guys, I hope everybody had a great weekend. What I'm going to be doing today on the Screencast-O-Matic is just kind of going over the choice board that you have in my math class this week. I'm going to go ahead and go through the directions. It says to earn credit for this week, you need to pick 2 of the activities below to complete. Complete both of the activities and submit them to me on Flipgrid if it says Flipgrid, or you can text or share your work with me. Thank you. Have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions. So if you're looking at the choice board here, I want you to kind of take a second and look over it. So what you'll notice is there's actually 6 boxes, and these are the activities that you can choose from. Remember, you only have to choose 2, but you can do all of them if you choose to, but at minimum you must do 2. So the first one says you're the teacher. It says you need to pick 1 concept that you learned this year that you felt like you mastered. So guys, this is anything. This is adding decimals, subtracting decimals, multiplying fractions, multiplying decimals. It can be anything. You're going to pick 1 concept. So you could do adding decimals if that's what you choose. Your job is to create a lesson. So you're going to be teaching a lesson on Flipgrid. And what you're going to do is your lesson, you're going to be teaching it to an upcoming 4th grader. So somebody who's coming to 5th grade next year, you're going to teach them that skill. So if it's adding fractions, then you need to go through and make sure you teach a lesson that that kid can watch and they would understand it when they get done with your video. What you're going to do is you're going to be recording it and putting it on the Flipgrid link right here. The next activity is write about it. In this one, you're going to be writing a letter to an upcoming 5th grader. And all you're going to do in your letter is it says do the following. Explain what a student needs to study and prepare for. What do they really need to be good at when they get to 5th grade math? What expectations do we have for you guys in 5th grade? What's some advice that can help them? What are some things that you did that helped you a lot that they could try to do that would maybe help them? And then I want you to explain what was your experience like in 5th grade math. You guys rocked it this year, so make sure you explain that in your letter. The next one is design a poster, digital or non-digital. Guys, I cannot tell you how incredible and awesome your games were this week. I was blown away. You guys did such a great job on that. So I think this will be a breeze for a lot of us. You're going to be designing a poster for a skill that you learned in math this year. Now, again, it can be any skill. It can be fractions, decimals, place value, anything that you learned. You're going to create a poster about it and just kind of make it creative, make it nice and neat, but something that I can hang around the class next year for those kids to see. You can do it on notebook paper, Google Slides, Google Draw, poster board, or anything that you want to do is creative. But create a poster that can be digital or it can be non-digital. Now, this is one that we're already going to do on Thursday. We have Vocabulary Day on Thursday. So if you participate in that, I'm going to go ahead and count that as one of your math activities if you choose to do a math vocabulary word. So if you choose to do science or something like that, that's awesome. But to get credit for this activity, it needs to be a math vocabulary word. And what you'll do is you can record it under this Flipgrid or under the Flipgrid that we also have in our Google classes for Vocabulary Day. Either one will be fine. Then down here we have Starnes' scavenger hunt. You're going to be looking in your house or around your house, and you're going to be finding one of each of these kind of shapes. So what you'll do is you're going to take a picture of it and you'll put them all on one Google slide presentation. So your job is to find a quadrilateral at your house or around your house, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a square, a rectangular prism, and a cube. And what I went ahead and did for you is you can click on example and it will take you to an example that I created that you can look at and kind of see. Last thing is very, very volume. You're going to need to find one 3D shape in your house. I'm going to give you some advice. I would use a cube or a rectangular prism. you're going to need a ruler or a measuring tape. If you don't have one, ask your parents. I'm sure your parents have a measuring tape somewhere around there. You're going to find the volume of your figure and do the following. I want you to take a picture of your figure and share it with me. When you share it with me, you need to tell me the volume of your figure. And remember what we do to find the volume. You're going to explain how you found the volume of your figure. And you can even type, text, or video your answer to me, and that's fine. And you can share it to me on Google Classroom, or you can text it or email it. Guys, that's all it is today on the Screencast-O-Matic. I do want to remind you, you guys did such an awesome, incredible job on your projects. I was so pumped and so proud. Keep up the great work, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and seeing the great work you do this week. Thanks. Bye.